Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Microsoft PowerPoint tips and tricks to create captivating intro for your presentation. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a PowerPoint presentation and I'm going to add table to my slide. I'm going to go to the insert and then I'm going to select table and I'm going to choose 6 by 5 like this, and I'm going to make it larger like this guys. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the shading and select new fill and go to the pen color and select white, and I'm going to insert picture in the slide. Go to the pictures and I'm going to insert picture from my device. I'm gonna go with this one and we can set it to backward. Okay, and I'm going to add white color to the cell. I'm going to go to the shading and then select white, and I'm going to add it right here as well. Okay, and right here. And I'm going to block with the white color, and I'm going to add tags to here. I'm just going to go to insert and select shape, and I'm going to select text box. Okay, and I'm just going to type in PowerPoint. Okay, then I'm going to make it larger. Okay, and I'm going to change the font. Alright, then I'm going to change the color. I'm just going to select this green. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the tips and tricks from Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.